I'm going to teach you how to make a fire really easy out of bull thistle and globe thistle. This is great. This is actually still wet from yesterday. It snowed. It has like a foam inside it. It's actually hollow, but it has this foam thing inside. It's like an insulation. Comes right out nicely like that. This is the greatest fire starter. You're in the woods and you don't have any wood, you can use this. So I've got these, I always bring these with me, these little fire things, starters. I'd use some bull thistle or globe thistle. The thistle that has the hollow stem and then that insulation inside is perfect. So I would just build it like this. And get the stalk from last year's flower that's standing up. Don't get the ones that are laying down on the ground because they're most likely going to be really, really wet. I find the ones that are standing up, because they've been standing up, they're drier. So that's all there is to it. Let's see how. So if we got, I got a little Usnea here. Usnea, another one. Usnea, so great to start a fire. So let's put that in there. These are great little tips to know if you're stuck out in the forest and you don't have any dry wood. Look at the Usnea, how it takes right off. Such a good fire starter. And you'll also see how the thistle takes right off fast too. So that's already taken off in there. Give it a little more. So I'm going to make a little tea. I'm going to make a campfire white pine needle tea with you guys today. Show you how easy and how fast it is to get this going with the thistle. And a little bit of Usnea. If I had to have more Usnea, it would have really took off. It's already starting there now. Really good. Pretty easy to get it going. Going pretty good there now. So these are like little logs. When you break them apart, you have that insulation inside. Such a good fire starter. And they're always dry, even though they're wet. Sounds strange, but it's true. So I got a little thing that I bring with me, and then my little cup to make a tea. I'm going to put some water in there. I brought with me my fresh brook water. And then I'm going to put some pine needles in there. Get some white pine needles. See how that fire's taken off? Really easy. And if you didn't have dry wood, you could just keep using the thistle enough to make a little meal. You know, it goes pretty long. You get some pretty fat thistle too. So I'm good like that. So now what I'm going to do, there we go. Place that on like that. I'm going to set my stream water on with my pine needles in there. I'm actually going to throw a few pine needles just right in the fire too, because I love the smell of it. I love that smell of the pine.